here we go. We're in the room. 8755. Oh, nice size closet right there. And this is, oh wow, this is pretty neat.
It is. I like the shower.
Look at this. Look, the shower's over here on one end.
Nice size for a
And then they've got another shower with the, this is pretty nice. And then they got a shower with a bath on this end. So you can get both showered at the same time. Here's your little kitchenette right there with your cabinet space. There's your refrigerator, coffee. There's your microwave, more cabinet space up here. All your stuff. This is a pull-out bed. It's like a Murphy bed. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. Look how cute that is under there. That is really cool. That's probably where I'll be sleeping tonight after Melissa's mad at me. Here's your TV. Nice little space over there. Another pull-out bed over there, which I'm not going to pull out right now. And there's the main bed. I really like all the different, what do they call that? Artwork, I guess. There's another piece of artwork up there, which is really nice. And then again, some seating over here. And then our view. Oh, we got a nice view. We got a nice view. Look, there's Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, we could probably see the fireworks from here. Not that we'll be here to see it. That is really nice. So there you go. There's our room, gang. The Riviera one-bedroom studio right here. Well, one-bed studio. The deluxe studio, I guess is the words. Pretty nice, though. Look, they even got space underneath to put your stuff in there, too. Very, very cool.